Alright, I found a cool campsite. This is 307, which if you keep going that way, it dead ends into Forest Road 600-1. That way is going to be the there's a Pinhoti Trail overlook, and then the watchtowers there. I don't know if you can see or not in the video. Horn Mountain, I believe, overlook. I'll have to double check that. But anyway, just a short ways off the road here is this isolated camp spot with a pretty cool view. Nice little 360 view. I don't believe I'll be trying the rope swing on the tree that's been struck by lightning. I'll be taking the kayak out of the truck and blowing up an air mattress, and I'll just sleep in the back of the truck tonight. So I'm going to cook a ribeye tonight and some mushrooms over with my oak and hickory coals once that burns down. I've got this southern flavored charbroil seasoning I like to use on my steak. I forgot a plate, so skillet it is. Stick that back in the cooler while I'm waiting on those coals to burn down. I forgot my plate. I'll just clean that off and use it. Rest a while. All right, see how we did here. A bit done. Not too bad. I'll show you my sleeping setup really quick in the back of the camper. So I've got an air mattress. It's just a twin, no R value at all. So I got a 2-inch memory foam from Amazon. I don't remember what brand. Got a 40-degree sleeping bag, and if I need it, a heavy fleece blanket, but usually don't even need that blanket. I've got something to read, some water. I've got my headlamp for a light, and that's really basically it. I'll do something to block the sun coming up on the east this tomorrow morning. But other than that, that's my setup. This is down 307, which I'll show you is right here. And if you run 307 all the way down, it connects. This is the cutoff to come to Horn Mountain, but keep going that way, it connects to 600-1, Forest Road 600-1. And I've driven that in my two-wheel drive Nissan Frontier. I wouldn't recommend it. It's especially in the rain or if it's wet outside. But that's pretty much a four-wheel drive road. But I'll give you a 360 panoramic view of the tower here. So this is facing generally southeast. That's 307 here, and Cheehaw Mountain, which is the highest point in Alabama, is going to be right about there. That's just over 2,400 feet of elevation. We got lucky today. It was supposed to rain this afternoon. So far the weather